Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZag channel. The 2025 Suzuki GSX-R1000 marks a bold return of one of the most iconic superbikes ever made. Designed with track-focused precision and everyday rideability in mind, this new model represents a significant evolution of Suzuki's engineering legacy. With a blend of raw power, sharp aerodynamics, and advanced electronics, the GSX-R1000 continues to honor the GSXR name, a title that has dominated racetracks and street corners for decades. Under the hood, the GSX-R1000 houses a powerful 999 cubic centimeters inline-four engine that delivers around 202 horsepower and 86 lb-ft of torque. This beast is mated to a quick-shifting 6-speed gearbox with a bidirectional quickshifter, enabling lightning-fast gear changes without the need for a clutch. Suzuki's variable valve timing (SRVVT) system is back and better than ever, offering impressive performance at both low and high RPMs, making the bike incredibly versatile. Suzuki has made sure the 2025 model keeps up with modern rider demands. It features a comprehensive electronic suite, including a 6-axis IMU, cornering ABS, traction control, launch control, engine braking control, and customizable ride modes. The large full-color TFT display is crisp and intuitive, giving riders real-time performance data and connectivity features. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned track veteran, this system provides the confidence and control you need. Design-wise, the 2025 GSX-R1000 boasts a more aggressive fairing with integrated winglets for added downforce. Its LED headlights, sculpted fuel tank, and sharp tail section scream performance. The ergonomics remain sporty but slightly more forgiving, making it possible to enjoy spirited rides without sacrificing comfort. Suzuki has clearly paid attention to rider feedback, creating a bike that looks as fast as it rides. In terms of suspension and braking, the GSX-R1000 is equipped with Showa's balance-free front forks and a balance-free rear cushion light shock, offering supreme handling and road feel. Brembo Stylema calipers and dual 320mm discs at the front ensure superb braking performance, giving the rider utmost control at any speed. The lightweight aluminum frame contributes to the bike's nimble and responsive character, making cornering a true pleasure. What truly sets the 2025 GSX-R1000 apart is its balance. It's a superbike that feels just as home on the street as it does on the racetrack. Unlike many of its rivals, the GSX-R1000 doesn't overwhelm with complexity or electronic gimmicks. Instead, it delivers a purist riding experience that connects the rider directly with the machine. It's a bike that respects the skill of the rider while offering cutting-edge technology as a helpful companion, not a crutch. The estimated price for the 2025 Suzuki GSX-R1000 is around $18,000, positioning it competitively against other leader-class superbikes like the Yamaha R1 and Honda CBR 1000RR. With its heritage, performance, and technological enhancements, it's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. For riders who demand adrenaline, precision, and a machine that pushes the limits of what's possible, the new GSX-R1000 is a dream realized. Suzuki's legend has returned, sharper, faster, and more thrilling than ever.